what I have most become known for, besides reversing disease, is in using green smoothies to do it. Why? Because this simplifies everything. So while I just showed you an easy way to prepare a salad and a dessert that can hypernourish you, that still takes some time in the kitchen. If you've got about 5 minutes in the morning like I do, this way works really well. Also, it helps people who are not used to or interested in eating raw vegetables. I want people to get in a significant amount of raw cruciferous vegetables or things like spinach and chard so that they can get that nourishment up to hypernourishment. But I found it hard to get other people to do that. It changed everything, because if you can take those same greens and add some fruit for flavor and put a straw in it, people will do it. Now, you might have heard some people with objections to smoothies, and so let me just take a moment to address those. There are some people who worry that either you're going to get too much fruit in a smoothie and raise your blood sugar, or maybe you need to use the enzymes in your mouth to digest food and you should swish it around or chew it or just not use smoothies at all. Well, I can let you know that none of those things are true. The biggest way I can prove it is just results. I've helped thousands of people all over the world reverse their diseases using these smoothies. So if they didn't work, well, I wouldn't recommend it. As someone who used to be sick for most of my life, 12 years of my life, actually at 46, it's not most anymore, but at the time I got well, it was. But for being sick for so much of my life, and as a doctor, I feel the most ethical thing that you can teach people is results, not theories, because theories are often wrong. So the results show that this actually will help eliminate diabetes. In my rapid recovery programs, most people no longer are diabetic by a month into the process, and they're doing smoothies with fruit. So it eliminates diabetes. It helps with heart disease and heart failure. We had a client whose mother-in-law was in the hospital with her final heart attack, the doctor said, and they told their son to come and say goodbye. And he brought the blender with the green smoothie recipe that healed his wife from lupus and Sjogren's. And in 5 days, his mother walked out of the hospital, and all she did was drink these smoothies. So whether if it's your heart, diabetes, autoimmune disease, or you're just trying to get really ripped, smoothies work. And you know the best way that they work is you actually put the food into your body. So let me show you a quick and easy way that you can hyper-nourish using green smoothies. It'll change your health, it's delicious, and it's super convenient. All right, so the basis of the smoothie is going to be the vegetables, right?